Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. It's a very gorgeous sunny Sunday morning, and I've got the truck, naturally my kind of go-to outdoor vehicle. Doing a little Forest Service road exploring today. This is the typical area I've been doing my hammock hanging, but I wanted to come out today and do some exploring and see what else is up there. This is a little side road that I went up before and found a big pile of trash, but well, I didn't go all the way to the top, so I want to go and check it out, see what's up there. So I'm gonna do some lunch, probably later do some fire. Just gonna see what happens with today. You know, today could just be a total bust. It's pretty busy. I've been seeing cars, a lot of cars going up and down the road. Hopefully some will be packing up and leaving, so we'll just kind of see what happens and just see what the day brings. So should be fun. So hope you enjoy the videos. Alright, so we've come to our first impasse. We have this left turn here, which I really don't know where it goes. 7010 Forest Service Road and 70, looks like 12. So I think I'm going to go up first and see what's there and then come back and go up this way. So that's the plan. Yeah, so this view is pretty amazing. I'm at like a little clearing. It's kind of interesting how the you can see the difference in the color of the tree line. I bet this was forested at one point, and that's regrowth, and this is older stuff. But that's just a guess. Trying to do a nice 360 pan shot here. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. I even got Mount Rainier sticking his head, poking through the trees here. Hopefully the camera will do it justice. That is cool. Nice. So we're gonna keep going up the road, see what's up there. Well, this is a great little clearing, probably a good spot for an RV or maybe a big tent, except for the trash that was left, which I'm gonna have to now pick up. It's like, of course I got Butch Cassidy just up the road shooting away, so there's probably a little shooting pit just up there. First the trash. times I'm gonna have to do this today. Hopefully not a lot. So that's my current view of Mount Rainier. Camera just does not do it justice. It is absolutely gorgeous up here. You can see the road right here. That's where I came up. So it's just been a windy, not too bad down here, but man, I'm probably gonna have a couple of shots in, but this was kind of hairy. They got these drainage sort of ditches going across the road here. Man, they were, my comfort level was getting a little, so I decided to call it and just turned around, came back down. I don't want to take a chance of getting stuck. It's not worth it. You know, maybe if I was up here with a buddy, or a buddy in another vehicle, so we could, you know, extract each other, that might be a different story. You know, but if you get stuck, it's a long way back down to look for help. So, and I already had that experience with the snow, so, you know, not that I'm gun shy, but, you know, sometimes it's not worth it. But, man, this view is unbelievable. Go around. So that's the road I came up. So, and then of course my view, which is just amazing. That's the valley down below. Just incredible. Never get tired of seeing stuff like this. There's a mountain again. It looks smaller on the view screen than it does in person, but oh crap, both my headlights on. Yeah, that wasn't good. So I'm gonna head back down now, and I think I'm about 6 miles up. I think the last mile marker I saw was 4, but I didn't see one at 5, so I might have passed 5. 5-6 miles, give or take. So that's gonna be my way down. Once I get down, just down over there, the road is a lot easier going. This was a little hairy. It would have been fun on like a 4-wheeler or something, but I don't own one of those. Man, good times. Look at that view. Man, just amazing. Looks like we have a hiking trail that goes up. Not sure where it heads, but be interested to find out. Maybe I'll throw it on the bucket list for some time. Could be a fun little jaunt. Yeah, the 2 guys I talked to earlier heading down. See, I'm actually kind of glad people are up here at times like this, because if I had a mechanical failure with the truck or something that happened, hey, someone just came by. So, sure is a pretty day. Man, the flies are just obnoxious. Look at them all. I don't know if you can see that, but there's some pretty little mountain flowers. I think I'm going to head down. I don't know if I'm going to take up the other road now. Might save it for next time. We'll see what happens. I'll see how I feel when I get down there.